Remember when you thought the world would break you down?
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am on the road again, and this time with the Bandit. I am heading to Dravograd, and this is the road that leads to Dravograd from Maribor. All we need is just a little patience. A very nice road, a twisty road that goes through the Drava Valley. Right now I am in Selnica of Dravi, and I had a nice coffee at the gas station, and I just started my ride today in Slovenska Bistrica, passing Maribor, and right now I am already in the Drava Valley, and this is the road that I like a lot, going from Maribor to Dravograd. So from Štajerska to Koroška, this would be in Slovenian. Let's enjoy the road, and here and there I will comment a bit.
Wish I could have told you then what I'm telling you now. All those nights you cried yourself to sleep, thinking you weren't strong enough. 20 years have passed, and you made it through. All the pain you felt made you someone new. Every scar became a lesson learned. 20 years have passed, and you earned your turn. You were so sure the love would pass you by, convinced that you were meant to wonder why. Look at what you built with your...
These are the twisties that I was talking about. A very nice road. Here are some bikers already, and this road, it's quite a dangerous one, because a lot of riders are pushing here too much, and here and there it can be some gravel because of different reasons. It could be because of raining, because of gravel coming down the hills and so on. You never know. And also because some farmers are using this road too with tractors and so on. So many reasons. That's why everyone should be very careful if riding here.
All those times you thought you'd disappear, thinking you weren't brave enough.
Today it is the 6th of September, and it is not that hot anymore, and this is what riders like. It is not that hot that you would be sweating all the time. I am already in Koroška, and this is Carinthia in English. There was a sign, welcome to Koroška, welcome to Carinthia, and here the road will be even more twisty. the Drava River. There is a Slovenian flag. Drava is a very important one. I have to mention that the Bandit is working very well, and everything is cool with the bike. From the moment it was 2 months ago, or maybe 3 months, that I adjusted, I solved the brakes problem, and now I am totally satisfied with the bike.
20 years have passed, you earned your turn.
There are a lot of overtakings here and there on this road, and this is also one of the reasons why there are so many accidents here, not only involving riders but also cars. You know, people are getting frustrated because some other are riding or driving too slow, and you know, we need all a lot of patience.
See you in the mirror now, and have a little higher somehow.
You probably all know Guns N' Roses, and Axl was singing already in the 80s. All we need is just a little patience. That was one of the greatest songs from Guns N' Roses.
The girl thought she'd never fly. Finally learned to
The
touch
speed limit is 90 kilometers per hour. I am not gonna overtake this too. It would be easy, but why? I am not in a hurry, and I am just fine with 90 kilometers per hour right now.
All the pain you felt made you someone new. Every star became a lesson. 20 years have passed, and you earned your turn. 20 years have passed.
One of the dams on the Drava River. There are many dams here. Another thing that I would like to mention is that we are in the northeastern part of Slovenia, and just on the other side, behind the hills, it's Austria, and there is the famous Route 69. So for those of you who are gonna be riding here for the very first time, I suggest that you go this way from Maribor to Dravograd, and then entering there in Austria, and you're gonna go that way using the road 69, yes, to reach Graz, and then you can find an apartment or a hotel, and the next day proceed. Here it's gonna be, it depends from where you're gonna start, but more or less around 200 kilometers. From Maribor to Dravograd it's around 60, and then you have some more to reach the border, and then the route 69, it's 100, I think. I didn't check it, but around 100 kilometers, I would say.
Remember when you thought the world would break you down?